Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on the latest science and technologies, job vacancies and scholarships in different universities in the world. In the present video I would like to talk about coronavirus symptoms, signs and symptoms that COVID-19 is impacting your lungs. There are 7 points. While watching my video, please look at the description box. You will get more clarification on the current issues. COVID-19 can cause extensive lung damage. Doctors warn. The second wave of novel coronavirus is impacting younger people more and in a profound manner. From what is being increasingly witnessed, the virus has got stronger in its approach and is taking a hit on vital organs, and for many it could cause significant damage even before the classic signs show up. Lung infection and pulmonary damage, for one, is being increasingly seen and leaving people in dire need of crucial support, including oxygen therapy. As per findings observed in India and outside, the mutant strains of SARS-CoV-2 could cause up to 25% lung damage in patients even in their pre-symptomatic days. Second point, is the second strain causing more severe infections? The extent of damage caused by the newer variants, double mutant or the newly found triple mutant strain, is also fueling severe infections. Even for those testing negative with symptoms, CT and chest scans are revealing startling findings. Startling in the sense surprising. According to doctors, in comparison, the first wave of the pandemic, infections are now turning bad from mild quickly, and in many cases, diseased lung progression is seen from day 2 or 3 onwards, implying that without proper attention, cases could quickly turn bad and require hospitalization. What is also being seen right now is that pulmonary complications are being majorly seen in younger patients below 45 years of age reporting early infections. The most critical dangers could also flag off when the virus starts to cause pulmonary and respiratory damage. Therefore, it is crucial doctors feel that COVID plus patients do not take symptoms lightly and begin tracking changes early on. There are some signs and symptoms to be acutely careful of if you are infected right now, as per previous study published by John Hopkins Medicine Study. Point number 3, severe breathlessness. Shortness of breath and breathlessness caused by oxygen deprivation can be hard to deal with. This can happen when the virus starts to rapidly spread and blocks the entry point of oxygenated blood into the lungs. This further causes oxygen levels to slip down and cause respiratory issues. What doctors are also seeing right now is that the mutant virus is launching a scathing attack and causing major oxygen fluctuations. SpO2 levels are being recorded between 70 and 80 even for the healthy patients without pre-existing issues, which is seriously dangerous. Extreme oxygen deprivation could also lead to hypoxia. Point number 4. COVID pneumonia. COVID pneumonia remains to be one of the most dreaded complications. Dreaded is dangerous. When a person is infected by the virus, it impairs and blocks the lung walls and decreases blood supply to the organs. In such a situation, the body is forced to compensate for the deficit and increase oxygen intake. As the air sacs are damaged, there is an influx of liquid which is mostly inflamed cells and protein, and this fluid built up leads to pneumonia. This is known as acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS, which then leads to pneumonia when lung functioning is compromised. What was being previously witnessed in the later stage of the infection is now being seen in the early nascent stages and causing complications. Degradations of symptoms and a constantly plateauing fever above 99 degrees Fahrenheit are usually telltale signs of the same. Point number 5. Chest pain. While the virus could cause the most complications for the respiratory channels and lungs, widespread inflammation, breathing difficulties, and oxygen deprivation could cause chest pain and lethal lung damage. Point number 6. Continuous persistent coughing. Cough is usually one of the first and perhaps the classic sign of having contracted the SARS-CoV-2 virus. In moderate to severe infections, the virus could also cause a lot of inflammation and blockage, which could further disrupt vital functioning and induce persistent harsh coughing. A COVID cough feels generally harsh, could irritate your throat, and is considered dry in nature, does not produce phlegm. Point number 7 and the last point. Blood clots. The virus can impact the blood flowing through the body, which could further increase blood pressure and cause multiple clots. Mild stages of sepsis may also occur when the infection spreads through the bloodstream and cause extensive tissue damage. Cytokine storm, a sort of an autoimmune reaction generated in the body, could also pose problems. Do remember to keep tracking your vitals, including oxygen readings, and practice habits which could help manage breathing and respiratory issues better. Find out about the latest lifestyle, fashion, beauty trends, relationships, tips, and buzz on health and food. If you find this video informative, you can like it and share it among your friends. You can subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Till the severity of this COVID-19 ends, I produce videos on COVID-19. Please keep watching my channel. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you for watching. See you.